Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq Daniel bin Abdi Syam. So for today we are going to presenting about product that we choose, which is sofa. So before I forget, I want to introduce my team members, which is Akil, Aiman, Zaid Putri and Zaimal. So for the table of content, we have a introduction, product design, critical part, product improvement, and last but not least, we have a conclusion. So first of all, sofa is a long upholstered seat with backs and arms for 2 or more people. Actually, when we choose sofa, it is because sofa is used primarily for sitting. It can use for sleeping. At home, sofa are usually placed in the living room and lounge. They are sometimes also found in a non-residential setting such as hotel, commercial office lobbies, waiting rooms, and bar, and many more. The main function of sofa bed, it is a convertibility, and it is how it can play the role of a bed when needed. By simply pulling it convertible mechanism, you can easily transform it from a sofa to a bed for a serene night's sleep. So by buying a sofa, you can save your money because you can use one piece of furniture for 2 purposes, which is sleeping and sitting. It's easy to change into a bed. In addition, most sofa beds provide storage. There are many different styles of sofa beds, and they come in a variety of size and fabric. So from here, we can know that a sofa is really important, especially for working person. It is because sofa are great for a space saving and versatility. So I think that's all for my part. I will invite the next presenter to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Afiq, for the introductions. Assalamualaikum. My name is Akil Nakyudin. I will proceed about the product designs. As we know, product design is the process designer used to blend user needs with business goal to help a brand make consistently successful product. So before we proceed the product design, first thing first, what we need is the product. We must choose what product we want. So after we choose the product, by using the Autocad that we have learned, we can convert the product into the 2D drawing. As you can see in the slide, this is the picture of the 2 drawing for our product that we have made. So next, after we done for the 2D drawing, now we can put the 2D drawing into the orthographic view. As you can see in the slide, this is the orthographic view. In the orthographic view, we must put the title block, because title block is a template for a sheet and generally include a border for the page and information about the design firm, and such as its name, address and logo. The title block can also display information about the product, client and individual sheet, including issue date and revision information. So in our title block, we put a note, project, title, third angle, material, sheet and scale. So we also put the dimension in our orthographic view. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Alright, thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Rizikri, and I will present about a critical part. The first design is original design that have 4 part, and each part have a own function. So the part is a backrest, wooden foot and a seat cushion. The backrest function is to support a person's back when we sit, and the function for seat cushion is a soft padding that makes sitting more comfortable, and the wooden foot function is to support the sofa and keep it elevated above the ground and allowing for a more comfortable sofa height. Next is a new design which have a new part that we innovate from the old design, which is a armrest, a front skirt, a back pillows, and a outside back. The first one is the armrest, and the function for the armrest is where the seater can comfortably rest their arm while sitting, and the function for the front skirt is the pleated of the fabric covering found by the front of the foot of the sofa. It is because the skirt is to look the sofa more knitted. And the next one is a back pillows. The function for the back pillows is that keep the seater comfortable and improve posture while we sit. And the last one is the outside back, and the function is the U-fold steer from the top of the seat to the foot of the sofa. It is because to make the structure of the sofa more durable. And the next design, which is the result after we transform the new design sofa become a bed, and the part that we innovate is a leg rest, a stainless steel foot, also a seat cushion, and a backrest. So the first one is the leg rest. The function for the leg rest is where the seater can comfortably rest their leg while sitting, just like we lay on the bed. And the function for the seat cushion is the soft padding that's make sitting more comfortable. And the stainless steel foot is to support the sofa and keep it elevate above the ground and allowing for a more comfortable chair height. And it's a stainless steel material, so it is more durable than the old design that we use a wooden foot. And the last one is a backrest, which function to support a person back when we sit. Last but not least, the 3D model design and assembly. So the picture shown an old design that we assemble a backrest, a seat cushion, and a wooden foot. Next, I will pass to the next presenter to present about the improvement for this product. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zaimal bin Arsi. So here, as this slide show, this is the comparison between old design and new design by using Autocad software with proper title block. And so next, okay, here I want to explain about the roles of improved parts that we have done by using software. So first of all, we improve on the left and the right side of the sofa by adding handles. And for the second one, the sofa improvement for this new design is innovated from the bed, which is we add a cushion and turn it into a 2-in-1 sofa. After that, we also improve the sofa legs by connecting the arm guard with the sofa leg by increasing the durability of the sofa. Okay, next one is the advantage of product and optimization. Okay, so for the first one is customer can enjoy maximum comfort with the sofa that has a more balanced structure and has an armrest handle to support the arms. Okay, second one is the product that we improve from old design come with cleverly, which is has to use at a time. With the use of the sofa, also customer can minimize the space in the house. Okay, then this is the product that we improve is also suitable for old age, no matter for single people or those who are married, because the design is also according to the current standard, and it can be easily converted into a sleeping surface and can also provide comfortable sleeping space for friends and family to spend the night. Okay, lastly, during the evaluation of this improvement product, we also emphasize durability comparable to the aesthetic product design. Therefore, the durability and comfort of the sofa bed make it a good investment and allows customer to save money. In short, sofa beds are easy to use and it's very practical. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Zamal. So next I will present about 2D drawing representation at different projector orthographic. Same with the old design. After we done for the 2D drawing, now we can put the 2D drawing into the orthographic view. As you can see in the slide, this is the orthographic view for the product improvement. In the orthographic view, same with the old design, we must put the title block because the title block is a template for a sheet and generally include a border for a page and information about the design firm, such as its name, address and logo. The title block can also display information about the project, client and individual sheet, include issue date and revision information. So in our title block, we put the note, project, drawing title, third angle, material, sheet and scale. We also put the dimension in our orthographic view. Next, I will present about the 3D model representations. As we know, the 3D model is the process of create a 3-dimensional representation of an object using a specialized software. This is representations. It's called a 3D model and convey object size, shape and textures. So in the 3D model representations, we have made a 3D model improvement from the old product to the new product. As you can see in the slide, this is the Autocad. By using the Autocad, this is the 3D model improvement that our group are make. So we have made some adjustment in our product. The adjustment is that we improve is the armrest and leg rest. So we add some 3D model in the armrest and leg rest, as you can see in the slide. Next is the 3D model and assembly. As you can see in the slide, before we make the 3D model, we made each part separately. The reason why we made each part separately, because we need to examine each part that we did. Hence, we can avoid any part being overlooked or incorrect. Finally, we can assemble all the part to make a 3D model. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Putri Alia Maisara. I will be present the last part, which is conclusion. So the first one is Autocad for student is the most widely used computer-aided software for producing drawings. The use of the import function in Autocad definitely has some advantage, which is it can help reduce the time it takes to produce the drawing needed in the work environment. This should ensure that students can improving the product design, assembly and also improving the new product design, which is old versus the new design. This is shown that students can understand how to interpret a formal engineering and are able to check that the CAD package of their choice has produced projection correctly. It should also give the student the confidence to sketch with authority. Moreover, the goal of this project was to further develop pro-engineer skills by introducing new tools as well as testing the old one in more advanced ways. It was also to improve an internet site creation ability. We believe that we have accomplished all these goes very well. So the opportunity to use a CAD is a craft that can serve well in the future. With the advancement in the digital world and the technology growing every day, learning CAD program will enhance the quality of work. So that's all for our presentation from Group 3. Thank you for listening and Assalamualaikum.